Yes, people, I this man shot another one.
Two of them, you know?
See, see there, I hear that something in the head. This make three bird. You hear that something? See it?
Yeah.
I open. See enough of them run the place. Shot him on the wing. Two times shot in the people. Yeah, man. So let me say, please subscribe, share the video. Yeah, man.
But you bring grows up.
There's people there. Shot on ground down. Like a headshot. Clean off my head. Yeah, man. Richie! Shot one. Shot one. Shot one. See the people? Headshot bumper. People in head gone. You see it? Head gone completely. Yeah, man. Head gone. Yeah, man. They say headshot and forgive bird him now. You see it? Headshot and forgive bird, make your bird dead. Yeah, man. A headshot that. So, like I say, people, subscribe, comments if you want to comment. I'm see some people comment. They might say, alright, boom, boom, boom. Don't kill the bird if you're not eating the bird. But I'm eating the bird, but you know what you will on my video. That's the point. See? So, subscribe to the channel. You see it? Headshot that dead. You see it? So that a tree bird me gone already. You see it? Subscribe, comment, press the bell and something like that. Yeah, man. Subscribe and thumbs up. You see me? You know, so great slingshot there. Yes, people. I wanna ground up this. You see it on headshot. The whole head back flick out. You see it? Whole head back plate out. Yeah, man. Ground dove. Yeah, man. So ground dove they look no people. So a diamond running. See? Now video so good, but you see diamond them there. Spotty them. Yeah, man. I wanna call this one a picture tree. Or something like that. Yeah, man. Picture tree. See a one chest in one in soul gone. And see them wanna we call him one a live post bird. Because he always up on live post. Yeah, man. See you hear something ahead? Yeah, man, I hear something that. One time we can't catch one red one. Yes, people, I shot this one up on him beak. Shot it on him beak. Then me say, yo, Virgin, hold it. I say, dog, wherever go give bird one more shot, the dog say, yo, take him up. So, the man say, take him up. I say, dog, I have to give bird one more shot. The bird almost go again now. I see people and suffer and dead in the bush, but and get on shot money and go lie down one other part of the bush man, give one other shot money and drop a ground. Same time, which power and tick. You see it? So I am this man, you see it? Two big bird on it. See the two big bird. The one. This is our first bird and this is our second bird. The one I see the bird. I mean almost shot one of more than bird, you see people. Yeah, man. So I ask people, please subscribe, comment, you see it? Thumbs up. You see people, you subscribe, sitting there. And this will be the last video. This will be the last video. I'm gonna put more forward video. I'm gonna go back a bush. Or no more bird. Told I have two idea. I told me ear say the bird them white wing them bob love over there and sitting there and I'm sitting there. You see it so. Next time we gonna go over there, bob love and white wing more shot. You see it people. Yeah, man. Bob love and white wing. So want to subscribe, comment, you want a thumbs up, you see it? Text anything you want, like something, but one thing we not do, like you can show no fish, but that's only called pretty tear fish, you see it? So pretty tear fish, them there, yeah, man. So I must say subscribe to the channel, people. Just subscribe to the channel. Yeah, man, just subscribe to the channel. Yeah, man. If I share it, you see it? So people, me like somebody text and comment and say like if you not eat the bird, sing it. If you not eat the bird, don't kill the bird. But I'm eating it. Yeah. Not telling a lie, but you cannot see me eat it. You see it? You cannot see me eat it. You see it? Yeah, man. You cannot see me. But me big. Alright, so me kill the bird them. Me peel them off. put them in one bag and put in the fridge. I'm ready for cook them, me cook them, you see it? Me do and catch and cook, but yeah man, me do and catch and cook, just look, and I need to eat with dumpling and ackee, you see it? With bird, yeah man, and ground up. Text on the comments so you see it, man. Text right on the comments. Subscribe to the channel, same way, you see it? Man, about 2 catch and cook me do. 2 catch and cook when me fry up the bird. Fry up one of the bird them and cook with ackee, you see it? So, text on the comments on them there. Now do my cookie, one day. Like when I have time, I buy a season, alright? I don't have a season now, I'm going to lose, but I buy a season. Because I do catch and cook, same way, you see it? So subscribe, comment and everything. Text on if you want to see more of them video. But me now go back to the bush there to a long time. When you can't wild the bird, them, you see it? One team when them go after them, then you see it, so we can get enough bird, you see it? So subscribe, comment on the video, you see it? Yeah man. So I clean up the bird them, put them in one bag. Yeah man, and next time I do a different thing. I see water there, I clean them in the water. See water full, and I love when water full, I just wash out everything. Yeah man. Subscribe and comment, you see it? Yeah man. Yes people, but you see it, I 2 bird them I deal with it now, you see it? 2 bird them. See, peel off. Look man, you know. This is a ground dove. See a ground dove that now. Yeah man. See your foot look. Ground dove. This is one you call live post bird. Yeah man, see in chest plate. 2 little breast them there. One titty. Alright, see watch out. But people look here. This a bird here. Make a bird too hard people, you see it? So a bird now no meat. In chest plate gone. Entirety. I just see him back alone left, you see it? Nothing on the pan him. You look like when the little rat dead. You see it? Look at me, my little rat dead. And nothing in them. Then just dead out and then just look flat out like map. You see it? So this a bird I look. So people, nothing on the pan him, people. Nothing. I tell you nothing on the pan him. I just see him alone, you see it? New in chest and new dead. I black slingshot, me lose and shot him, you see it? The black slingshot. You see him black slingshot when they go with my brethren them. You see, when I John shoot them, shot on him in the chest and his stone goes straight to his chest. I black sting shot do that, you see it so. The sting shot is powerful, but I don't know the sting shot for carry, you see it so. Don't know the sting shot for lose and shot big bird. Some big bird like some big parrot them, white wing them barbel out, that the sting shot of lose, you see it. So this is not nothing upon him, you see it. Nah, not upon him, I make dog come near him or something, you see it so. I deal with them 2 years. Ground dove. See water there. Clean off his foot, clean up inside, take out his liver, everything and that. So I tell people, please subscribe to the YouTube channel. Please people, please. Yeah man, just press it, simple as that. If you have kind heart in you, you see it. Yes people, see that? I bird them, you see it, that's all. See it? A red season, you don't remember the name. Don't remember the season name, you see it so. I kind of want red season or orange season then. If you know red, that's orange season, yeah, orange season. Yes, people, just please subscribe. Cookings are going on. You want, please subscribe to the channel. You see it? You want just different thing. Red season. You want different thing. Bird them. So, the last time we shot a bird, you see it? It kind of look a bit same way still. I'm not shot enough bird. About 3 bird. We got shot 2 more birds, you see, so a fire bird in the sea, you see the thing? So a fire bird. Two picky tree or something like that. Something like that, I don't know how to pronounce the word, you see it, so see a lot, most of it now. So, what you see, first job, See what they're going. So like people, like I say people, please subscribe. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. If you want to see more links there, you see it. And some people are text and comment say, if you not eat the bird, don't kill the bird. But look how I born, look. If I don't kill it. Some people are saying, if I don't eat the bird, don't kill the bird. But I'm eating the bird. But I text back and say, watch your whole video and see how I'm gone. You see people, look. And I always see it's yesterday because we didn't get to cook the bird, but you see, I just got that still. And I always see it's yesterday to cook the bird, but puppy in the sun and them there. Puppy having about 3 puppy you see, so zinc puppy you see, pretty big zinc up. Zinc puppy. Look there. Breeze a blow hard. Breeze a blow hard. Throat a do. Yeah man. Throat a do everything. To people see bird man. You want a bird man. Please subscribe to YouTube channel. Same way people subscribe to YouTube channel. You want to subscribe to YouTube channel? So that makes people see season there. A kind of orange season. You just throw it on your alone. You see it so. See bird man. Subscribe to the channel. Same way. Comment if you want comments, if you want to see more of them video. Things. Just subscribe, same way. The subscriber, you see it? And comments, you see people. And thumbs up. Yes people, subscribe and comment.